Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the review and swatches of the autumn collection by PotionPolish. This 5-piece set has beautiful fall colors and is now available at PotionPolish.com. As always, the useful links are in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first one from this collection is called Cozy Sweater, and this one is a deepened teal color with red copper shimmers and hollow effects. It's a very beautiful color and it shifts very nicely. So here goes my first coat. It does look a little bit sheer, but it gives full coverage in 2 coats. And this is the final look after top coat and cleanup. Moving on to the next one. This one is called Mossy Path, and this one is an olive green with aurora pigment and red copper shimmers and hollow flakes. It's a very beautiful color. I really love this color. Here goes my first coat. I went in a little bit heavy-handed, so it looks almost opaque in one coat, but I still went ahead and applied the second coat. And here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. This is really a very beautiful color, and usually olive colors are I like them. Moving on to the next one. This one is called State Fair, and it's a lightened cranberry color with red copper shimmers and red bronze copper chrome flakes. Here goes my first coat. There goes my second coat. I messed up a little bit on my second coat, so I applied a third coat, but you actually don't need 3 coats. You can get full coverage in 2 coats itself. This is my final look after top coat and cleanup. These colors, all the 5 colors, are very fall friendly and they look absolutely gorgeous with some fall stamping. Next one from this collection is Autumn Drive, and this one is a muted sky blue with peachy bronze shimmers and hollow pigments. Here goes my first coat. Once again, this is also a very nice and different color, and the shimmers in this one, they are really very shifty. They look very pretty. So here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. Last but not the least, this one is called Football Sundays, and this is my personal favorite. It's a deep blackberry color polish with hollow pigments, and it's such a rich and beautiful color. Going in with my first coat. It's a very beautiful dark plum color. It's absolutely beautiful. So here is the final look after top coat and cleanup. This is such a beautiful color. I absolutely love this, and that's the reason why I said beautiful 100 times. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the swatches. That's all I have for today's video. Feel free to check my other tutorials, and if you enjoy watching my videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Be a part of this lovely family. I would love to see you guys around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.